Makes those treasure hunts over there. Leave these for someone else. All these. This new Alfa Romeo. Those new wheels. This thing's nice.
Oh wow. With those wheels?
Yeah, those are the new mainline wheels.
Are you getting this one?
I already got one.
You got one?
I mean, this Jeep, dude, that Jeep's freaking wicked.
Yeah. It's got the cyclone in it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the Super out of the case, but that's the mainline.
Oh, they made a so Alan got one of these?
No, he found the Super of the this thing, the Mighty K.
Oh wow. That and the Super, huh?
And here you go, new tooling for the Camaro.
Oh wow. Yeah, this is the first I've even seen any of these.
Yeah, this is M case. So yeah, he went through all these. I mean, this Toyota Tacoma recolor is nice.
Yeah. Get that one yet?
Yeah, I got that one down there. Yeah, got that one.
Rims and tires again.
So we're gonna leave all those treasure hunts. I'm gonna take one.
Jesus, that's crazy. Treasure hunt right on the side.
Yeah. They haven't done that in a while. Just a couple more of those Alfa Romeos.
There seems to be quite a few of those.
Yeah, I seen this in a multi-pack and I was waiting for it to be on a card. That way I can pick it up. But look at that, another treasure hunt right there.
Some of these on the tag over there.
Another Falcon. Don't need it though. Makes those treasure hunts over there. Leave these for someone else. Coupe clip. Yeah, man, bunch of goodies. Is that Chevette?
Oh man, you got one of those already?
Yep. Yeah, that thing's nice.
Funny thing is, we had one of those growing up.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, yellow. It was such a
Dang it.
rust bucket piece of crap. No tire.
Mustang funny car. I already got that one though.
Yeah, the show was pretty good up there. There was some nice cars.
Yeah. Yeah, I ended up going just that one day. It was pretty good. Wish I would have stayed the whole time though.
Yeah.
Got that one.
Anywhere else this morning, or is this your
This is it.
first stop? Oh, cool. You got that one?
Yep.
You got all those there? Or
Yeah, I just picked them up. Trying not to make a mess.
Yeah, I'm trying to get some of them out of here over onto the peg so that it can be gone.
Yeah. There's a lot of Alphas, but we'll leave these for others.
I wasn't big into it, but the Barbie Hummer. You got a Barbie car right now, don't you? Or
No,
did you
that
want
one I was picking up all the EV Hummers and then I just stopped.
Man, that Chevette is cool.
Yeah, that Chevette is definitely a sweet casting.
Alright, I better.
Got another treasure hunt down at the bottom.
Yeah, get back to work. Thanks, man. Good to see you.
Yeah, man, you too. That's what it's about, guys. Hunting with other collectors and just having fun. He scored some good ones, walked away with some treasure hunts. We're leaving, I don't know, like 5 treasure hunts behind. Yeah, that Chevette is pretty sweet. The Cyclone, definitely a good one. Yeah, God, these things are really sweet looking. Well, I missed out on 2 supers, but that's okay. Don't need these anymore. Finally got the last card variation to the Falcon Mustang, so pretty stoked on that. There's a lot of good castings out of this case. It's another one of those Supras, but I'll leave that for somebody. Another treasure hunt. This thing's stacked pretty good. Cannot complain one bit on this one. Yeah, might be it. So, grabbing a few. And this. Alright guys, Walmart did not disappoint. We scored some M-Case. Man, there's some amazing castings, great recolors in there. But of course, before we get to that guys, we hit 10,000 subscribers. Such a huge milestone I never thought we would reach. But of course, it is a huge thanks to every single one of you for getting us to that point. So I would not be here without any one of your support. So those who are new to the channel, I definitely thank you and welcome. So hopefully you guys continue to enjoy the content we bring. And of course, the bag of goodies that we'll be going over in this episode. So stay tuned for the video for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Don't comment below in regards to entering that. That'll be a totally separate video. Again, thank you all so very much. I cannot believe we are at 10,000. That is insane. Here we go, guys. Fresh M-Case haul from Walmart, and we will be going over these. And the first one we're going to bring up is the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Check out this recolor, guys. Beautiful blacked out version. You got the gray SRT, black PR5s, and I love the red Demon on the side, man. That is awesome. And of course, you do have red SRT on the hood as well. You got some tampos for the reflector in the front and rear. Just a beautiful casting, man. So if you guys don't remember, when you drill this one out, there is actually a Hellcat motor underneath the body of this car. So if you want to do a custom, cut the hood out, you can actually have an open hood Hellcat in this one. But a beautiful recolor out of Muscle Mania, and like we said, this is M-Case for 23. Such a beautiful big body Mopar right there. Next up, guys, this one I've been waiting for. This is such a beautiful casting. You have the Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0 outfitted with the brand new L4 wheels. Check that out, guys. So it is a classic 4-spoke. They just added a huge lip to the wheel, which gives it almost a premium look. And I dig that, man. That is just an awesome wheel style. So the L4s, I cannot wait to see what else they're going to put it on. I'm pretty sure it's going to be specific for JDM or any type of import. But here we go. Beautiful red enamel. You got the number 6, which is my lucky number on the door. Headlights have the X's over the lenses. For the race cars, that if the lens cracks, it doesn't fall onto the track. It kind of holds it all together. So out of the retro racers, so this is new for 23, and I think the red is a beautiful showcase for the very first casting. So this is just an awesome one right here. I did pick up 2 of them because I just really like that one, and I did see it in a 20 pack, but I prevented myself from buying it. And then of course finally got the last card variation of the Falcon Mustang right here. So this is the final one. This is the US version release on a long card. Now I have all 3. to go into the collection. So stoked on this one for sure. I missed out on the funny card because I thought I had the long card version of it. So I will have all 3 of the recolored NHRA Mustang funny car soon. I just got to go back and get it. And then of course this one right here, guys. This is actually a super clean recolor of the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Look at that. That is nice, man. That is super fresh. Got the tampos on the rear, of course, and the off-road wheels in blue chrome, which I think looks really good on that white. Just the overall detail of this one is really, really spot on. The headlights look phenomenal. Love the blacked out hood scoops, sunroof. Yeah, this thing is really nice. So Baja Blazers is not disappointing for this one. Trying to stay away from the trucks, but that is just fresh, man. Here is the second one of the Alfa Romeo for the collection. So yeah, really do like this one. Really do. Then next up right here is the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone Gasser. This is the mainline version of the Super. The Super is one I hope to find. If I don't, at least I have the mainline version. But out of the Hot Wheels Gasser, this thing looks really good. And I think the only other one I have is the premium release, which is right over, where are you at? I'm pretty sure I have this one. Yep, right here. Beautiful premium, love the red and white, and of course this one is also a really cool one with the Cyclone livery and Mike's transmission on there. So love it, man. That is just a cool casting right there. And then next up is the beautiful 76 Chevy Chevette, man. Look at that. That is a super worthy casting. And when I mean super, I mean this would look really good as a Spectra Flame Super Treasure Hunt right here. Hot Wheels Drag Strip is also another series that is really putting out some great castings. Check that out. Awesome stuff, man. Next up is the 2007 Mustang. We grabbed a second one because, like I said, now that I have all 3 card variations, I needed one because I want to do a wheel swap. I've mentioned it before when I picked up the other one that I had plans on opening it when I found a second one. I don't want to break up the 3 different card releases, so I picked up a 4th one. That way I can use this one for the wheel swap. So we'll set that off to the side. I know I picked up a second one. I just really like this one. Just like the Alfa Romeo, if I really like a casting, I'm going to pick up 2, maybe 3. But man, look at that. Don't sleep on this casting, guys. I cannot wait for the customizers out there to do some really deep, heavy, detailed customs on this one. I think it's going to look phenomenal in many variations, and I cannot wait to see what other color releases come out of that. Next up, we did grab the new 73 Jeep J10. Check that out. Beautiful pearlescent orange with the Hot Wheels flame going down the side. You got the off-road beadlocks in chrome, and you do have the off-road lights that are heavily detailed. Check that out. I think that's the first time we've seen off-road lights detailed. You have the BF Goodrich Jeep banner right there on the front windows. This thing is awesome, and look at that. They actually threw some chrome beadlocks on the spare tires. Normally you see it blacked out as a normal mold, but it looks like they are extras of the beadlocks on the casting. So I think they did a really good job on this one. This is another Baja Blazers. All right, next up is this beautiful treasure hunt, which is the Time Shifter. Look at that. Awesome livery. This is the first time in a while they actually put treasure hunt in big bold letters as part of the deco. And you have a little treasure map on there with the Hot Wheels flame. Really cool. It's been a while since we've seen the Time Shifter little wagon be released, but there we go. Treasure hunt was found amongst many in that dump bin. So Hot Wheels Metro Series, this is the treasure hunt for M-Case, and I think it looks really good. Of course, I did pick up 2, that way I can hook my buddy up with one of these. So this is going in a package separate from the collection, so I'll set that one off to the side. Then next up, I did grab one Supra, which is the hero car from Fast and the Furious. I know the Charger was the first one. I did grab that one as well. This is just an oddball casting. I mean, if you're a Fast and the Furious fan, you're going to pick it up anyways. And of course, if you're heavily into Supras, you're not going to pass it up either. but I just wish they had some taillight tampos just to give it a little bit more street cred on picking it up. I mean, at least you get some headlights and the heat extractors up there. But I mean, look at that. It's a goofy little car, but not going to pass it up. Can't pass it up, guys. Love the Supra. All right, and then next up is the new recolor of the Ducati Desert X in yellow. We do have this one in white, which was the release right before this one because it is new for 23. So this is just another recolor for the bag of bikes, which I do have over there. It used to be in a jammer, but I needed space for some other casting. So here we go. Another recolor for the Ducati. Last but definitely not least, guys, another Mustang straight from M2, which is the 1968 GT390. Look at that. Nice green metallic. Very subtle. It's almost like a dark olive color. And I really do like that lime green C stripe wrapped around there. But here we go. Beautiful. Beautiful 68, man. So another Mustang added to the collection. At least we were able to score that one along with finalizing the card variation for the Falcon Mustang right there. So yeah, guys, this is what we picked up from MK's. Not a lot of toolings, but I really wanted to limit myself to the ones I thought had to come with me because they were just too freaking cool. And like I said, I think my favorite one out of this release is the Alfa Romeo. That thing is beautiful. I mean, the wheels don't even need to be swapped. I think they look amazing on there. And then second is the Chevy Chevette. I think that is a super cool casting as well. So yeah, I'll be adding this one to the collection in the display. Hopefully they continue releasing, which I think they will. M2 is heavily releasing Mustangs this year, and I think it's going to fit somewhere along this wall. Kind of want to put it next to the Mallory. I did also pick this up the other day because Target had these on sale since they are not really selling good. This was actually $6.99. They're normally $10. So always wanted to pick up the Firebird because you guys know I do love these F bodies. The GTO I might throw in a giveaway package as a Lucy, but the Firebird is definitely staying in the collection. Love these F bodies, man. So I didn't pick up the white one that was released prior to this only because every single white Firebird I seen out of the Auto World 2-pack, the rear fender was chipped off in paint. So I don't know why. I'm glad this one isn't like that, but of course a red Trans Am definitely is a must pick up for me. But there we go, guys. That is the final one in this episode that we're going to showcase. But other than that, guys, hopefully you all have a great rest of the week. Happy hunting. Happy hunting. Be safe. And of course, collect what you like. And if you come home with extras that you didn't think you were going to pick up, I mean, it is what it is. That is all. That is what the hobby is all about, is just collecting the things you like. And that is what we got, guys. So again, thank you guys so much for 10,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for the episode, which will contain all the details for it and how to enter and all that good stuff. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.